We are sleeping in this tiny house over there.
How cute is that?
Isn't that cool?
I'm freaking out. First impressions already?
Yeah.
So nice. Can't wait to show you guys around. We're Daniel and Diana, a couple from Toronto, Canada. We've been traveling together for the last 7 years and recently started sharing our adventures to inspire you to discover the world. In recent videos, we shared our trip to Quebec. In this video, we take you along on our weekend getaway, sleeping at an adorable tiny house in Ontario.
We made it.
This is so cute. We're here at Boho Beaver Tiny House near Blue Mountain, Ontario, and it is so adorable, guys. We can't wait for our stay here tonight and to explore this area. So much to do, and we can't wait to show it all.
Yeah, I mean, we are sleeping in this tiny house over there.
How cute is that?
Isn't that cool?
I'm freaking out. First impressions already?
Yeah.
So nice. Can't wait to show you guys around.
Well, let's do that.
Let's do it. We'll show you a tour. So as soon as I walked in, all I can think about is cute, cute, cute. You're probably gonna hear me say that a million times because this place is absolutely adorable. It's cool because even though it's a tiny space, obviously, they did so much with it. You've got this really comfy little corner, so you've got a living room. So cute, the decor, I absolutely love it. And then you've got actually a pretty equipped full kitchen over here, so you can actually cook. You've got a stovetop here, you've got your coffee machine, got fully stocked up supplies, so you're all really good to go. And of course, the absolutely adorable corner over here. I am just obsessed with the decor. It's such a nice touch. They have greenery around. It is absolutely adorable, and I can't wait to check out the bedroom upstairs. I mean, what a unique entrance to a bedroom. I'm really excited to check out the upstairs. Oh wow, this is so cozy and cute. Okay, I'm officially obsessed.
Let me see if I can walk up there without bumping my head. Oh my god.
How cute is this?
This is so cool.
It's so cozy.
Oh my god.
I love it.
Alright guys, that was like our tour of the property.
Now it's time to get some lunch?
Now it's time to get some lunch.
Let's do it.
Alright. Alright, we just got here to Justin's Oven here, and our Airbnb hosts, they recommended their burgers here. Apparently they are to die for. They're so good, and of course we took them up on their recommendation, and here we are. And let's see, let's dig in. They're massive, like,
oh my god,
for sure.
Actually, this is gonna be so hard to eat. Okay, this was a good choice.
This was, oh my god, look at that.
Oh
This
man,
is
it's gonna be
insane.
hard to eat, but
Oh
I'm
my
so
God.
excited.
They're massive.
They're so
And look at
massive.
them. That cheese running out there.
Oh my
Alright,
god.
I want to see you taking a bite there.
Oh yeah, put the pressure on me. Like,
Of course.
I don't even know how to do this, guys. Like, okay.
Yep.
Oh my god.
I don't think that I'm gonna be any better here.
So good. He always does this.
But I'm
It's
still
always
gonna
me
try
that
it.
has to like, try it.
Still gonna try that.
So good.
It
So
smells
good.
amazing.
But it's hot.
Is it?
Yes. That's why I kind of like step back on my big bite.
Mm-hmm.
It's so good.
Oh wow.
Definitely need napkins.
Oh yeah. So apparently they have like an amazing stone oven pizza, but it's only on
Fridays.
Fridays?
Friday
Yeah.
nights. Yeah.
So yeah,
It's a Sunday.
it's a Sunday here. So
we went with the
for
burger,
burgers,
but I don't regret it. It's so
pizza.
good.
Alright, we're gonna dig in here. I'll catch you up later. Oh my god, these burgers were amazing.
So good.
So good. Like, and humongous.
But I'm in a food coma right now.
I need a coffee so bad. Well, thankfully, the general store, the city here, is just right next to it. We're gonna grab a coffee there.
Coffee, but
which we got
with quite a few things, guys. Like everyone here is so friendly, and they saw us here with our camera, and they're like, "Ooh, try this pumpkin pie and try this bread." So I mean, look at me right now.
First of all, when we left the restaurant, they ran after us with a pumpkin pie, which we are so excited to try with our coffee.
And then when we entered the general store to grab coffee, I just was like, I'm greeted and given bread.
It's amazing. So the hospitality here is
amazing.
Just like outstanding. And like we also met an artist there.
Yeah.
We forgot to ask about his name, but he built the world's largest
upside down beaver sculpture. So he gave us instructions. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I got this little like map. So we're gonna go try to find this now.
All right.
So fun.
See you there.
Bye. Okay, so I think we're going the right way. I'm not very good at like reading directions in general, but especially I'm trying to figure out if we're going the right way using these directions. But I think so.
We're on the right street.
I'm pretty excited.
On the right street, so
yes.
that's good.
I mean, Google Maps also helped us because we are looking for Langtree Street Drive.
Yeah.
We're on our way there.
We saw art studio.
Yes, so
okay, we saw an art studio sign.
all good signs. I think we're gonna find the upside down beaver.
the first largest diving beaver.
The only upside down and largest.
Right.
Yeah, I'm super excited, guys.
So cool. Like
this is something we would have never come across if we just didn't meet somebody local in the general store. So I'm very, very excited. All right, well, we'll reveal the beaver soon.
Right, I think we found it.
We're on a side street where I definitely would not have been if it wasn't for meeting this
Again.
person.
Map.
I'm pretty proud
Isn't that
we
cool?
found it.
But it actually looks really cool. The detail and everything is amazing.
I think this is his house.
I think so too. So folks, we're gonna show you the largest upside down beaver sculpture that's out there. Are you ready? All right. Now let's explore some waterfalls, right?
Yeah, there's quite a few in the
two,
area.
I think, on the list. One being Eugenia Falls and the other one?
Hawks Falls.
Hawks Falls. All right, let's go. This is Waterfalls number 1, Eugenia Falls. So the guy at the parking lot just told us that we are actually super lucky today because the amount of water is massive.
The most in like 20 years.
20 years or something like that.
Yeah.
So we are very excited to see that. Share with you guys. All right, we got to Hawks Falls, which is just like a short ride from Eugenia Falls.
Yeah, it's awesome how close everything is nearby here.
I'm very curious. So far, I can't hear the falls yet, so I hope that we're walking the right way.
Well, you know, we need to burn off the calories of that burger, so.
Yes, that's delicious. We're walking uphill, so that's promising.
Yeah,
No?
I think so.
I think so. Not an expert here, but I think so.
Hike number 2, waterfall number 2 done. What I love about this place is how close everything is together. It was
so
just
close together.
about 8-minute drive between the 2 waterfalls. So awesome that we were able to see both today. And now I think we're on a mission to go to a local winery.
It is 1 o'clock. All right. Alrighty guys, we are here at Roost Winery and had a delicious glass of red wine. And they also let us try an orange wine, which is something very unique. I've never seen this in North America. So orange wine is basically a natural wine. It is not filtered, it comes straight from the tank, has a little bit of sediment in it. So it's basically like, well, the unfiltered beer in the wine world, right? It is so good. I obviously got a bottle because, you know, I have to, and I can't wait to open that. And I'm now strolling around here in the vineyard and it is gorgeous. The views here, Diana is somewhere over there taking 1,000 Instagram pictures, so you'll definitely see those on Instagram. If you're not following us on Instagram, Roadmap to Adventures, linked down in the description. And sorry, had to. It is just beautiful here. I mean, look at these views.
Back to catch the sunset. Unfortunately, it is pretty cloudy, so there's not much of a sunset today, but we do hear it looks really amazing over there. So normally you would see a beautiful sunset.
Beautiful sunsets over
but
there.
as you can see, it's very, very cloudy.
It is, yeah.
But we're super excited to make a campfire tonight. And I'm really hungry after all of that walking.
Same here.
So I'm excited for dinner. We're gonna have charcuterie and followed by homemade pasta. Daniel's homemade pasta, which is so good. All of our friends and family are obsessed with it. So I have to say it's one of my favorite meals and I'm really excited for it.
All right, let's eat.
Charcuterie board.
Yeah, same.
We actually ordered it from the host. Something really cool they do is they actually have an a la carte menu. So you can order different things from them. We got the cheese and charcuterie box for 2, and tomorrow morning we got the pancake mix and local maple syrup, which we're so excited about. And they have variety of things, bacon and eggs, a s'mores kit. We actually got our fire pit kit as well from them, so we're all ready to make our fire tonight. And yeah, I'm excited to see what the charcuterie board looks like.
Yeah, same.
All right.
Let's have a look here. Need some help there?
I think I got it.
Oh my god.
Okay. Let's check it out.
Oh my
gosh. This looks so good. Oh, look at that.
Look at the little drawings up there as well.
Oh, this is so cute. Okay, totally worth it. Definitely get
Absolutely.
this if you
I haven't
guys
tried it yet,
here.
but totally worth it.
Yes.
I can always tell you.
We'll tell you the reviews afterwards too,
Yeah.
but this already looks amazing. I know it's
Oh my
gonna
God,
taste
it's like
delicious.
like maple pecan.
What a spread. Seriously, what a
Nice.
huge variety. Oh, I can't wait.
So good. All right, we're gonna set you guys aside now because I definitely want to dig in there and
I'm
have a
ready
glass
to
of
eat.
red wine as well,
Yes.
which we just got from the winery from Roost. So, red wine, charcuterie.
Time to
Sounds
try
like a
out all these
perfect
local
evening, right?
products. Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm excited.
Awesome. Seriously. Such a good appetizer. Very big appetizer.
Yeah, a very big appetizer. We kept saying we should stop because we still have pasta, but it's so delicious that we
yeah.
kept eating and eating and eating. But it's time to pause,
Let's put this away.
put it away, or else we're gonna actually
Make some
finish
pasta.
it. We can eat it tomorrow, and let's make some pasta.
Midnight snack or something.
Yeah, midnight snack sounds
maybe,
pretty
right?
good.
Okay. But for now, let's make some pasta.
This looks so good.
Finally got your pasta.
Mmm. Oh my god. See, I'm already pretty full for the charcuterie board, but this is something that I can always make room for because it's so good. Alright, time to dig in. Well, we just finished eating dinner, and wow, what a feast. I am so full. I just finished cleaning up the kitchen, and Daniel's outside making the fire. So we're gonna say goodnight to you guys now, and see you guys tomorrow for breakfast. Bye! Good morning! It's another beautiful day here in Beaver Valley. So excited to continue to explore on day 2. And I'm getting really hungry, which is crazy because we ate so much yesterday, but it's probably because I know what's coming up, which is pancakes! Chocolate chip pancakes. We slept really well last night, super cozy up there. How did you sleep, Daniel?
Amazing, yeah, it's very cozy.
It's awesome. Well, I think it's time to sip on this coffee and make some breakfast.
All right, let's do that.
These look so good. Thank you, Daniel.
You're welcome. Some maple syrup.
Local Beaver Valley maple syrup. So excited to try this.
All right. Should we dig in?
Yes. Checked out, and wow, what an incredible stay. I am obsessed with this place.
Yeah.
The Airbnb is so cute and the property is amazing. The area, there's so much to do. One of the highlights of the property is the river that goes through it. Unfortunately, because it was raining in the past few days, the water levels are too high in order for us to access it on the property. But there is a public access point just down the street, so we're gonna go check it out there. But I can only imagine how awesome it is in the summer, in dry season. You can bring your equipment, go swimming, go kayaking on the river. It's truly stunning. And the hosts are fantastic. So friendly and so passionate about the property and making this a place for you to come and relax and rejuvenate and have an awesome experience. We had a chance to talk to them before heading out and learned so much, and they're absolutely fantastic. Wonderful stay here. We highly recommend it. We're going to put the link below, so check it out and come visit because you won't regret it. All right, we're going to go check out the river now.
Let's do it.
Have our cheese and we're fully relaxed, and unfortunately now it's time to go back home and face reality.
I don't want to.
If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell button to get notifications about our upcoming videos, and check out the link below of the Airbnb we stayed. It's amazing. You're going to love it. Check it out and tune into our next videos. Bye guys.
Bye guys, see you soon.